There is a thing about brake shoes on cars. I mean, you look and see, so that's a new one. Where's that old one? And that's the old minging one. So rear brake shoes. It's going to sound really weird, but they're not all the same. So if you look at that one there, so look at that shoe there. It's high at the top and it's got a gap at the bottom. So that shoe there, is the trailing shoe. So that goes on the back. And if you turn this one around, so this is the leading shoe which goes on the front. So it's down at the top and all the way to the bottom. So the idea of that is when you apply the brake, centrifugal force tries to rotate the shoe around. So you get a lot of force on there. And this one, because it's pushing against the direction of rotation, is trying to pull it that way. So leading shoe, trailing shoe. Trailing shoe always goes on the rear. And I think I got that around the right way. Yes, I did. So this is the old rear trailing shoe. So, and you can see that is pretty, if you look at, see there, you got that gap, that height there, and you go all the way around the front to just about nothing. So it's doing all its work basically from there up. So it's trying to push against the drum, and this bit does bugger all. So this one here is the new one that goes on there, and you can see how much material is on there compared to how much material has disappeared off that one. So if you're ever doing brake shoes, doesn't matter whether it's on the front or the back, you've got to determine which shoe goes where, because if you put them around the wrong way, the brakes work crap. So leading and trailing shoes is important, and on some cars the differences between the two is very minute, and you've really got to look and understand what you're doing, or you take note of where you take them off, put them down, get the new ones and then match them. And sometimes you'll get some shoes which have been rebonded, and some people when they rebond them don't take this into consideration, and so you sit there and you go, I'm not sure, and you've got to work it out. So just a little aside, I thought I'd just a little doodah on leading and trailing shoes. In saying that, some cars, especially in the front, if they've got drum brakes, they'll have twin leading shoes, so they both do the same work, in which case the shoes are the same. But on cars that normally have one single cylinder, like on the back of this car, you'll have a leading and trailing shoe.